Hey YouTube, super exciting day today. As you can see, our living room is still a mess, partly because I am not a super materialistic person, but my wife does like some of her holiday decorations. So I want to surprise her with something. Let's go pick it up. It's over here. I have a surprise for you. This is the video I'm making.
You can't put that up yet.
Well, it's not gonna go up until Christmas.
You can't put the tree up until the day after Thanksgiving.
But I have to make the video right now.
Did you get the bird feed?
Yeah,
I don't get it. Go ahead.
okay. Such a terrible reaction. That wasn't the best surprise reaction, but my wife does love the tree. She also loves decorating and having cute holiday things around the house. All of these ornaments is stuff that she put up. Video 100 done.